If you're facing the no sound detected issue in CapCut Mobile, here's how to fix it quickly. First, open the CapCut app and tap on the settings icon at the top right. Scroll down and select Clear Cache, then confirm the action. This helps remove temporary bugs and can fix the CapCut audio not working issue. Now, close the app completely and reopen it, then check if the sound is working. If the issue still continues, go to the App Store or Play Store and search for CapCut. If you see an update option, tap on it to install the latest version. Updating the app often fixes bugs and glitches causing no audio in CapCut. After updating, reopen the app and test your video again. And yeah, that's how you fix CapCut no sound detector problem quickly and easily.